how to increase spending limit on Atome. The first step will be using the app regularly. The more you use Atome to make purchases and repay on time, the more trustworthy you seem. This builds your profile and boosts your chances of a higher limit. The next tip that I can give you is always paying on time. Paying your installments before or on the due date is super important. Late payments can hurt your profile and freeze your account. Linking a valid credit or debit card. Make sure you've added a legit and active card. This increases trust in your account and might impact your limit positively. Keep your profile up to date. Ensure that your phone number, ID, and other personal details are accurate. Verified users are more likely to get higher limits. And request a limit review if possible. Some versions of Atome might let you request a credit limit review through the app. Look for this in the settings or contact support via chat. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.